How to set up your Shopify store. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in this series of Shopify tutorials. In the last video, we showed you how to create a Shopify account, and now we're going to learn together how to set up our store. So first of all, you need to check your plan. As it says here, we have 3 days left in our trial. And then you can select a plan to get your first month for $1, and then you gotta pay the subscription fees. First of all, we need to go to online store. You can follow the setup guide right here, or you can just go to online store, themes. These themes are offered by Shopify for different website layouts and different designs. So there is the down theme, which is the current theme right now, and there are other themes for free and others that you can pay for if you visit the theme store. You have to choose a theme that reflects your business and that you can easily edit to get the best results. There is no coding needed. All you gotta do is design, put your media files, pictures and videos, and your shop will be ready. So to edit your store, you need to click on customize. So first of all, select a theme from these. You can add them to your theme library, and then you can put whatever theme you want here and then click on customize. After clicking on customize, you will have this platform where you can edit your store however you wish. You need to just click on something down here, and for example, we need to change this image. So we just write select image, upload an image from our PC like this, for example, and you will have the picture right here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.